back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing a little battle of the boxes, and it's going to be my Ipsy versus my Sephora play. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with Ipsy. I did cut into the bag already. So let's take out and see what's inside. Okay. So there are two items outside of the bag. One of them is actually part of my bag, and it's the Firma 102 brush, which is this one right here. And it's really nice and fluffy, perfect little blush brush. I love getting brushes, so I'm super excited about that. The other item outside of the bag is this little brush right here. And this one is from the SL Miss Glam collection. And I actually added this to my bag because I'm a huge fan of her brushes. They're always so super cute. The handle is really nice and sparkly. So this one was just a little extra I added on. Okay, so going into my baggie, here's what it looks like. It's like a denim with little blue stripes. It is super cute, and it's got a little pink zipper and little pink sides. So when we open it up, here's what it looks like. So it comes with a little card every month. This one says, New Year, more products, more focus on you. And it says hashtag Ipsy Recharge. Okay, so the first item I'm pulling out is from The Balm Cosmetics. And it is this little guy right here. And it looks like it's a shadow and a blush. So you can use it for both things. And it's in the shade Bare Minimum. So this is what it looks like. And it's a really pretty pinky mauve. And their little packaging is always so super cute. So the next product is from H2O Beauty. It's their Oasis Hydrating Treatment. And it's a water gel moisturizer. That's this one right here. And I do like gel moisturizers. I do have combo skin, so these definitely work a lot better for me personally. And the next thing in here is from Tarte. It's their Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. And this is in the shade Medium Sand. So I actually have never tried this foundation. At least I don't think I have. So we'll definitely be giving that a try. And then the last thing in my little bag, it's from Belle and Argent. And it's a lip gloss in the shade Bored Now. So their packaging is really pretty. So let's take a look. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And it's like a yellow iridescent gloss. Huh. Okay, I'm going to open it up. It doesn't smell like anything. And it is like a gold gloss, and it's got like pink sparkles. I don't think you can see it. No, you can't. But the sparkles are there. So that's pretty cool. We'll definitely give that a shot as well. Okay, so that was everything for our Ipsy. Again, we got the lip gloss, we got the gel moisturizer, the blush and eyeshadow from The Balm, the Tarte foundation, and then the big brush, which is number 102 from Firma. And then, of course, I added the little Miss Glam, the SL Miss Glam brush. So that was a pretty good bag. So let's turn and see what's in my Ipsy Play. Okay, so Ipsy Play, when you open it up, this is what it looks like. All the items come in a little clear baggie. And then it also comes with a book that gives you the information on the products. And then it also has the 50 Beauty Insider Points. So you can use those online now, as well as if you take the little card into the store. So let's take a look and see what we got. So the first thing in here is from Laneige, and it's their water sleeping mask, which is this little guy right here. And I have tried this before. It is a nice product. So that's the first thing. Next thing, it's going to be in little foil packets, and it's from Marijo, and it's hair care. And it's a nourishing cleansing cream as well as a deep treatment butter. So there's our little foil packet. Can we see? There we go. So usually there's like a perfume sample, but sometimes they will include little foil packets like that. So that's exciting. Okay, next thing is from Hum, and it's their daily cleanse, and it's a 3-day sample. So this one says it detox and cleanses from deep inside, and you're supposed to take 2 capsules with or without food. I don't know if I'm going to be trying those. We'll see. And then there's a couple more items in here. Next one is from Origins, and that's their Clear Improvement Mask. I have tried this before. I actually have several of these little samples. This is a really nice clay mask. Next thing, I have not tried this, and this is actually from Smashbox, and it's their Photo Finish Primer Water. I know, you guys, this has been out forever, and I still have not tried this, so I'm super excited to have this in here. And the last thing, it's going to be from Bite Beauty, and it's this little guy right here. It is their lip crayon in the shade Glaze. So we're going to open it up. That's what it looks like. It's a really pretty, like, mauve-y nude. Now I'm not going to use it because I do think I have this shade already, so I'm going to check. And if I do, this one's going to get passed on. So again, in our Sephora play, we got the Bite Lip Crayon, the Hum Daily Cleanse, the foil packets for our hair, the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, our Smashbox Priming Water, and our Origins Clear Improvement Mask. So that was actually a pretty good bag too. It wasn't too bad. But if I had to pick one, you guys, I think I'm going to have to go with Ipsy. Because I like the brush that I got in there. I'm definitely going to try out the foundation, the gel moisturizer, and I love getting that cute little packaging from the balm. But Sephora Play wasn't too far behind because they have some pretty cool stuff in there as well this month. So what did you guys think? Are you guys subscribed to both of these? Which one was your favorite? What did you like? What did you not like? Definitely let me know. And I'm actually super excited because I finally got my little ring light. So at least there's a little bit more light in here. We still gotta work with it. I still have to adjust probably a couple settings. But at least it's here. Yay! I'm super excited. So let me know down below which one you think won for the month of January. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.